Hi folks, my name's Dave Johnson from bloggingbizonline.com. So before we go any further, if you would give my channel a like and click that subscription bell and put a comment in the box after you've watched the video, if you would, that would be fantastic. That'll get you notified of any other future videos I'm bringing out. So this is a free offer I'm giving away today, Instagram's Guide for Beginners. It's a 10-part video course, and I'm also throwing in an extra bonus which also costs nothing, and you'll find out what that is towards the end of the video. Okay, so like I said, it's a 10-part video tutorial, and the top 7 ways to use Instagram, 5 reasons why you should use Instagram, 9 quick tips to creating successful Instagram, how to use Instagram guides to create a brand, best 5 ways to promote your Instagram, the most effective types of Instagram, how to promote your content through Instagram, how to increase engagement on your Instagram, 96 quick reasons to use Instagram guides to grow your business, and how to use Instagram guides to supplement your posts. So folks, here's just a few tips just to keep you interested in the video, and I'll make you that offer at the end.
A way to promote your content is to create a guide that is mostly comprised of other users' posts, but sneak your own posts in too. This will not look like self-promotion, and it will also include your content amongst other popular, reputable, and valued creators. If you have a product that is available on the Instagram shop, you can create a product guide. In this, you can explain your product a little bit better, perhaps the manufacturing process, your inspiration, the benefits, why you chose certain elements, and why it is perfect for your audience. You can even create a behind-the-scenes guide, or even in making, all in order to further highlight your product. If you are the owner of a small business that has a physical location that is available on Instagram, you should create a guide to this business. If you have a cafe, perhaps, you could explain elements of the menu or elaborate on your coffee making process. Depending on your audience, they will love this.
Okay, just a little taster there of what you get inside of Instagram guides for beginners. You will also receive your PDF ebook in text format, obviously, so you will get that as well as the 10-part video course. So moving on to the bonus, folks. Okay, I'm throwing this in just because I'm feeling generous today. I'm going to give you my fast track cash. Okay, this is the fastest, easiest, laziest way to make tons of cash ever. And the best part is it works like crazy. So I'm giving that away as well with the Instagram guides for beginners. So if you want to claim both of those packages, all you have to do, folks, is click that link below my video in the description or in my blog, wherever the video is, and you will receive the Instagram guides for beginners and the fast track cash video tutorial. Okay, so click that link below the video and we'll get you started straight away. So folks, if you want to know any more about any of my future videos coming out, press that notification bell, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment in the video. Until my next video comes out, then stay safe, my friends, and I'll see you all soon.